Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and staying healthy. In this video, I will be explaining effective tips, tricks and strategies of PTE Re-tell Lecture task. If you follow these proven strategies carefully, you can significantly improve your performance optimum level and achieve your desired PTE score in upcoming exam. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's get started. You can see here on the screen, while you are speaking in PTE Re-tell Lecture, at the beginning, mention the title or main topic of the audio prompt. For example, the lecture focused on main topic. You need to mention the main topic of the audio Re-tell Lecture and cover several key areas related to it. While speaking in the Retell Lecture, you should use linking words or connectors. For example, firstly, secondly, furthermore, additionally, moreover, towards the end, in conclusion, overall. So, you should use these type of connectors while you are speaking in PTE Re-tell Lecture. After using a connector, an appropriate pronoun referring to the speaker should be used. If the speaker is male, use he. If the speaker is female, use she. After that, an appropriate reporting verb should be used to clearly describe the speaker's message. The different reporting verbs are as follows, such as introduced, discussed, explained, highlighted, presented, and emphasized are commonly used to describe the speaker's message. I will now play the PTE Re-tell Lecture audio prompt. Please listen carefully and note down 8 to 9 important phrases.
Most kids plug into the world of television long before they enter school. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, KFF, 2/3 of infants and toddlers watch a screen an average of 2 hours a day. Kids under age 6 watch an average of about 2 hours of screen media a day, primarily TV and videos or DVDs. Kids and teens 8 to 18 years spend nearly 4 hours a day in front of a TV screen and almost 2 additional hours on the computer outside of schoolwork and playing video games. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that kids under 2 years old not watch any TV, and that those older than 2 should watch no more than 1 to 2 hours a day of quality programming. The first 2 years of life are considered a critical time for brain development. TV and other electronic media can get in the way of exploring, playing, and interacting with parents and others, which encourages learning and healthy physical and social development.
You can see here that I have written the Retell Lecture audio script for your convenience. However, in the actual PTE exam, you will only receive the audio prompt but not the script. By listening to the audio, you need to take notes of 8 or 9 key phrases, but while speaking, you should use only 7 of these phrases by following the PTE Re-tell Lecture format. You can see here on the screen, I have noted down the 8 to 9 key phrases after listening the audio prompt. For example, plugged into the world of television, 2/3 of toddlers watch screens, average of 2 hours a day, primarily TV, videos or DVDs, 4 hours a day in front of TV screens, 2 additional hours on computers or playing video games. Children under 2 years old should not watch any TV. No more than 2 hours a day of quality programming. Critical time for brain development, etc. You can see here is the PTE Re-tell Lecture format. Now, you need to speak at least 7 phrases which you have already noted down from the audio script of the PTE Re-tell Lecture, and you need to speak those 7 phrases by using this format. For example, the lecture focused on main topic and covered several key areas related to it. Firstly, the speaker introduced about phrase 1. Secondly, he discussed about phrase 2. Furthermore, he explained about phrase 3. Additionally, he highlighted information about phrase 4. Moreover, he told about phrase 5. Towards the end, the speaker said about phrase 6. In conclusion, the speaker added about phrase 7. Overall, lecture was informative and gave information about once again you need to speak the topic again here. Now let me show you how will you speak confidently by using this PTE Re-tell lecture format in your real test exam. For example, the lecture focused on the main topic of screen media on children. Firstly, the speaker introduced that most kids are plugged into the world of television. Secondly, he discussed that 2/3 of toddlers watch screens. Furthermore, he explained that kids under 6 watch an average of 2 hours a day. Additionally, he highlighted information about kids watching primarily TV and videos. Moreover, he told that children spend several hours a day on TV and computers. Towards the end, the speaker said that children under 2 should not watch TV. In conclusion, the speaker added that older children should watch no more than 2 hours daily. Overall, the lecture was informative and explained the importance of early brain development. In this way, you have to speak up to 30 or 35 seconds confidently, smoothly, and fluently. Please like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.